To sew on a press stud, what we need to do first of all is just to do a securing stitch into the fabric. When we've done that, we're going to take the first part of the press stud and we're going to thread the needle through one of the holes in the press stud. What I want to do is keep doing the stitches over in each of the 4 little holes. Okay, we're then going to repeat the process for the second part of the press stud. You just need to make sure there's enough stitches in each part so that it holds securely.